At The Force Realty, you get the tools, the training, and the marketing education you need to run your own real estate business. You keep 100% of your commissions no matter how large the sale. There's only a small monthly fee of $2.95 or $4.95 per deal. The Force Realty is winning awards and growing rapidly because the business model works. We're dedicated to the success of our agents. Our years of experience will help you to increase sales and income almost immediately. And guess what? The training is free. No charge, no extra cost. With The Force, you'll finally get paid what you're worth. All the time, energy, and excellent customer service you provide will finally pay off. The Force is truly what a real estate company should be. So if you want to feel good about what you do, feel good about what you earn, and feel good at the end of the day knowing that you work for you, sign up today and feel the power of The Force Realty.